Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you where you can catch the green flower chafer insect in Heartopia Call of Wheels event. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is how the insect looks like, and even though the insect event has not been started yet, you can already catch this insect, and I'm going to show you the location. Wait, let me open up my insect story. Okay, and this is the green flower chafer. You can catch it from the forest, specifically from the deer tower. And for the weather condition, you can catch it in any weather, and the sunny days, rainy days, or the rainbow event. Okay, so just go to the deer tower right here. I'm gonna show you the location on the map and just explore this area, and if you're lucky you'll meet the green flower chafer. All right, this is the green flower chafer. I've just caught this insect. It's not really difficult to find. Whoa, this is my third green flower chafer. Okay guys, and that's how you can catch the green flower chafer in Heartopia. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.